Ever wondered why you can't stop burping after a meal? Well, let me spill the beans on some foods that trigger those embarrassing belches. First up, carbonated drinks like soda and sparkling water. The bubbles in these drinks release gas in your stomach, causing burping. Next, fatty and fried foods. They take longer to digest, leading to excess gas production. Spicy foods can also be culprits as they irritate your stomach lining. And let's not forget about beans, lentils, and broccoli. They contain complex sugars that your body struggles to break down, resulting in, you guessed it, burping. So if you want to avoid those awkward moments, think twice before indulging in these burp-inducing foods.